creating the uncomfortable. Man, they tried to break me, but can't break the indestructible. I was born with a note that told the world a message, and that message was that I'm the one to make the ending crumble. You came back, damn it, I done came back, laughing with my confidence is higher, maybe higher than Aladdin. I'm confident my fire probably hotter than a dragon, and it's my time. Bitch, you better sky up on that wagon. To be honest, I saw it all before I could remember. Never knew that I was soon to be the king like I was Simba. I took the world alone, didn't know I had a throne with my name on it. Even left a confidential stain on it. Boom! Now I know that I'm a fucking animal. King of the jungle, not a motherfucking Danimal. King of the jungle, but no, I'm not Gary Tangel, bitch. I'm Trey, rising from my casket, this the fucking day. I done came back and I came up with a lot more power and danger. They jumped in my spot, poof, they disappeared. Chris Angel, I jumped out and I go in. X mode, I'm going. Confident, I'm proud of it. I told y'all I'm going. Let's do it. Yeah. Hey. Confidence, confidence, confidence. Now who's anonymous? God's fucking goddesses. Wise words, decent promises. I make them. It's only sin and torture if I break them. But if they see greatness, then why the fuck would they degrade them? A lot of people got their own opinions, man, they hate them. But hate them or love them, you cannot judge if you ain't make them. It's simple. It ain't like I was born up in a temple, but like this I left a dimple in the game and watch it pop just like a pimple. Don't ever get lost in the fucking game, cause really if it's just a game, then you can go at it and gain more. I'm sure the game can fucking overwork you, but with confidence, it's unlikely for a bitch to hurt you. And I'm gone, yeah bitch I'm gone, yeah bitch I'm gone in my motherfucking zone. I said let's do it, I said let's do it, yeah, I said let's do it, let's do it. Confident, I'm proud of it, let's do it. I said let's do it. Oh yeah, let's do it. Confident, I'm proud of it, let's do it. Yeah, I said let's do it. Oh yeah, let's do it. Let's do it.